Hi, this is Phil Aguglia of PaGu Batons. I'd like to talk to you just a little bit about our round-shaped baton handles and how they can be used to help you achieve your goals as a conductor. First one I'd like to draw to your attention is the Andre Ganea signature model baton. And this one here is a rather large ball. It's 1 3/8 inches in diameter. This one is intended to be put into the palm, maybe stuck between the fingers, and use this way, middle fingers, or you can grip it like this. It's a very comfortable handle, a little larger than what a percussion mallet would feel like in your hand. And if you have large hands and you like that feel of a ball, this might be the right handle for you. It's another option we have is our Damon Talley signature model, which is kind of similar in the fact that it's round. The difference is this is 1 3/8 inches, this is 1 3/16 inches, and the Talley has this curve here, which is a really nice feature. This one is meant to be put back in the palm, what we call tension-free grip. The middle finger would nestle in the curve, and then the index finger and thumb would be up higher on the stick, and the balance point would be there. Now, if you prefer to hold it back here, it also works very well at a basic fulcrum grip balance point. So it all depends on you. Obviously, you can have this balanced anywhere you want at PaGu Batons, but these are a couple of the options that work really well. When you hold a baton back here, where your index finger and thumb are more loose, and we're gripping here, it allows for a larger muscle group to be engaged in your arm, which tends to be a little less stress here on the front of the shoulder, and that's why this particular handle was developed in the first place. If you have a smaller hand and you want the same feel, the Christner model would be a great one to use for the same way. My hand's a little bit too big for this model, but it would work the same way as the Talley, here or here. And then if you're looking for a small handle, it'll be more of a counterweight for you. The Staccato is a great one for that. It can be gripped here, basic fulcrum. It can be even behind the collar, but because it's so small, it's tough to have enough weight in this handle to be able to give a real behind the collar heavy handle feel. So this one tends to work well with a tension-free or basic fulcrum, and also is a really good one for choral conductors who like a very short baton and don't need a lot of weight at the end to balance it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me at phil.aguglia@pagubatons.com.